Hi, everybody. This is Dave, Independent Outsider. So on Monday, March the 23rd, our employees at my mail plant, we were given a floor talk. And before I read any of this, first thing is this floor talk is dated March 13th. So we were given this 10 days after the fact. So this is just part of it. I'm not going to read the entire thing because it'll take about a half hour. So, March 13th, 2020, staying vigilant, flu response and prevention. As you may be aware, a number of cases of the coronavirus 2019, COVID-19, have recently been confirmed across the country. Late Friday, we learned that two Westchester PNDC employees have tested positive for COVID-19. Both will not return to work until medically cleared. Based upon the information provided to us by public health experts, we believe the risk is low for employees who work at the Westchester PNDC, but we will keep you updated as we receive new information as we continue to closely monitor the COVID-19 situation across the Northeast area and nationwide, which our area is basically the Northeast area, including Long Island. The safety and well-being of our employees is our highest priority. To ensure the health of our employees, we are continuing to follow recommended strategies from the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and local health department. Now, as far as Westchester goes, Westchester was handled properly. They found out that two people did have the virus. The building was closed for a day and completely cleaned, and it was taken care of. And I applaud management for that. However, this past Saturday, at another mail plant on Long Island, Mid Island in Melville, I have found out from reliable sources that they were given floor talks. And by the way, this isn't my mail plant, so they were given floor talks in regards to an employee who contracted the virus, and were told that the mail plant was not going to be closed for cleaning because, number one, the person worked outside. Okay, I believe the person was groundskeeper, something of that nature, and supposedly came in contact with no one, which is hard to believe that they didn't go to the bathroom or any of that, and that they were a low-level employee. We happen to not own the building that I work in, so there are people from a subcontracted company that comes in to clean. So you're going to tell me that those people who clean our building, because they are low-level employees, that they don't come in contact with anyone? I'm not saying that that has happened yet, but I'm saying this is where we're going with this. I also found out that someone who was working in that very same building in Melville was taking care of a family member who happened to have COVID-19. Now, I had been told that those people, when that happens, that they would be quarantined for 14 days. And initially, I was told with administrative pay. Now I'm getting all sorts of different stories. But the bottom line is, I was told yesterday that no one had contracted the virus. Here's the problem that I have, and especially with anyone helping employees or whatever. credibility will be shot if we don't give proper information. If this was dismissed, so be it, and we'll come back and but I do not see, for the most part, postal management responding in a fast enough manner. Yes, they have ordered supplies, but they haven't come. I'm tired of having to complain that people aren't being supplied with proper gloves, masks, and that kind of thing. So, and we haven't run out of soap yet. We haven't run out of toilet paper yet. Thank you. But do not tell me that in the Long Island district, no one who works in postal facilities has contracted the virus. And by the way, I don't care if they are contractual employees or they are full-time employees. That doesn't matter. If they are in the building, they are potential for spreading this virus. The virus doesn't care what level you are, if you're a level 4, if you're a level 5, if you're a driver, if you're a janitor, if you're a supervisor, it doesn't care. Okay, so let's cut the nonsense. And we're going to be asking for further cleaning. We're going to be asking for our place to be completely cleaned out, because we're not supposed to be coughing and sneezing. Well, guess what? There's dust all over the place. And it typically happens in an industrial building. So again, cut the nonsense and let's just get this done. And hopefully this won't be going on too much longer. So I, I don't like doing things like this, but asking to get it done. We're getting constant floor talks saying that we are an essential employee. Act like you think that way. We're getting constant floor talks saying that the Postal Service is doing everything that they can do. Act like you're thinking that way. Thank you.